Hi friends! My name is Miss Gabby. Today, let's learn how to make the letter D in sign language. Are you ready? Here we go. This is how you make a D, make a D, make a D. This is how you make a D in sign language. Good job, friends. Now, let's take a look inside of our mystery box to see what's hiding today. I can't wait to see what we have. I think I found something. A donut. A deer. And finally, a dreidel. Donut, deer, and dreidel all start with the letter D. Now, let's watch a video about dreidels. A dreidel is a pointed, four-sided children's toy, usually made of wood or plastic. It is made to spin like a top on its pointed base in a game of chance. The dreidel is especially used during the Jewish holiday known as Hanukkah. The word dreidel is Yiddish for spinning top. The dreidel bears 4 Hebrew letters on each of its sides: Nun, Gimel, Hey, and Shin. Dreidel.